Action.
Yeah, actually.
Don't. Come on, Barry. Do we do an intro?
Me, I'm coming in here very critical, you know, about the actual fashion statements.
All right, welcome to it, ladies and gentlemen. MicroWave Boys, episode 59. I am chilling with Tando.
It's a MicroWave Boys.
Yeah, you know, fashion, what's in the fashion and the hoo-ha.
Hello, sunshine.
Sunflower.
I got my ladies up in here. Girl, come on now, introduce yourself.
Hello, guys. Welcome to MicroWave Boys, episode 16.
Are you gonna welcome everybody?
What? Yeah, I'm gonna do it again.
Episode 16.
Yes, 59.
My name is Yaya and I'm co-host of the Breakfast Wave with the MicroWave
My
Boys.
Jada babes.
Every single weekday, 7 to 10 o'clock, tune in.
How do I beat that? Like,
I
don't
beat
even
her and I want
understand. I can't even go knock myself, guys. Hello, I'm Amanda. Yeah.
We are doing a special on the South African Music Awards red carpet.
Yeah.
Tando, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
What's the fashion?
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah. No, hey. What are you dressed in?
Yeah, what's up? I said, I'm for Polonek.
What's this? What's that you mean?
Yeah, what? Whoa, I don't know.
Alright.
What's this for tag? I was about to say you look nice. None of that, Lawena.
I'm just asking if you go to the gym or not.
Yeah, I got gym.
So guys, go watch.
You gotta know what time it is so you can stop gymming. Otherwise, it's like gym out, gym. You guys don't gym with your watches.
No.
So how do you know it's time to stop gymming? Oh, gym again the All Star. Let's like, yeah, let's like don't call
But you look like the type that gyms with tummies.
Anyway, we're here to talk about what happened at the SAMAS in terms of cotton eaters.
And we have Ricky Rick. What is going on there? Is Sagalama orange, ne? The one on the face.
In that little bag of his, obviously, is a Sunglide green bar. Go down to his granddad's shoes there. Come on. No, it's not one nest.
Green cross.
What do you want? It's all green.
The ones that make your back comfortable when you wear them.
Driggies look like he's dressed by his uncle and his aunt at the same time.
So it's like turtleneck, plaid, but different colors. Look at it properly.
I don't know, man. Just looks like he's wearing something that used to be on a couch.
Me, I don't like that's Scotani jackets.
Whoa.
Don't like it. No. It's a no.
I think the place is grand. The place is grand. I just don't understand where it's going with the pink. Because
It's red, Larry.
that's pink.
Larry, it's red. Come on.
That's pink.
It's my red.
Guys, is it pink or is it red? How do you say you want that color? What color do you say you want? Red. Don't chill on my screen.
He looks like those guys that are hollering at me in the hood.
Yeah, he looks like he makes like this.
And then I walk, and then I look at you, I side eye, and then I walk.
This
Robbie
guy.
Malinga Jr., aka Rob Mali.
I love this guy.
Okay, in terms of
Rob Malley.
Rob Mali, yes. To move from the forehead to where the hair starts, you need to take like a tuck. Wow! I was just joking, guys. Shout out to big foreheads.
Nobody looked in
I like his glasses.
I love
Yeah.
He said he's the only one who has them.
Gucci and Habana, it's good. Guys, he bought this at the taxi rank.
Dolce and Gabbana.
He looks decent.
But the thing is,
decent.
no, but the thing is, the only problem is his dreads. His dreads drag his hairline more back.
I'll jive up pes compete. I'll jive up pes compete.
She does look like he's wearing a Juvenia. Speaking of bed. Photo credit here goes to Spaga, by the way.
You're such a groupie, Spaga.
I had a camera and then I said,
So far, all these pictures, Spaga Hanama filter. It's fine, I'll call you later.
okay.
Holy Ghost fire. What's going on here? I'm still crying camera quality. There's nobody. What's happening?
Listen,
Is everyone using a
Is
V360?
he not supposed to be in bed?
Everyone is using a V360.
Why am I the only person who thinks Kanye's outfit actually looked nice?
You see now?
No, niggas on chela. I am sitting here. I'm saying that why am I the person who looks at it and says, Yazi, the outfit is grand. Look at it critically.
Larry, look, there's no fit here. Natsi, she was swimming first and then she put it on. She doesn't look happy like that. She's happy to be there, guys. That's the thing.
Oh shit! Is that how boy to look?
That's point. And then she zammed the look. But to no avail did she come to the moment.
Let me see Kaya. Let me see how Kaya looked.
No way!
What Boyd is wearing, what it looks like when you order it online, and Kanye is when it comes. Shabang Lamsa. I mean, we're trying to get this good loving.
The very last look. I have so much to say.
Okay, so the last look is my look.
Iring Akamens morning. Iring Truens morning. I don't want a regular bag.
I was wearing Chumani Couture. Chumani Couture.
Guys, can I just say something about Kamiso's turtleneck? It looks like he's one of those guys that don't pay babgeld and the child lingers on to the dad. When the dad leaves, he lingers on because
Obviously, everyone knows about AKA and whatnot.
Sweet fire.
But
Fire
it's
in
gotten
my-
ugly. You know, I've been sitting there the whole time, and I'm like, you know, when is it gonna get ugly? You know, have you ever sat there and waited? Even you watch a movie, and you're just like, when is this movie gonna get ugly? Because it's too nice now. It's just been waiting for that point.
Everything
I don't want to sound negative.
Everything is going according to plan.
This is too nice. This
But
is too nice about this.
in the true spirit of chest pains,
Yeah, mom.
it's album promo time in case you don't know.
No way, don't say that.
Yeah, I mean, it's album promo time. So somebody saved the best for last.
A few weeks ago, he tweeted Bonang's pinned tweet. They have to talk about you because no one listens if they talk about themselves.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nakumbula la way.
From then, oh my God, oh no ways.
Definitely
Oh,
didn't
man.
deal with the chest pains immediately. You know, it's hard to deal with the chest pains when you look at the person you're chest paining over is not chest paining at the same time.
Yeah.
We said that.
Then you have to delay your chest pain until they start talking like, why are you doing chest pain?
I want you to just
It's about a shift.
I'm going to do some things. Why don't you go do some things? I thought we were together. Now you're doing your own thing.
Yeah.
This nigga said no ways. Not only is the album promo time, but one day AKA decided not only just to drop a freestyle where he said he's never seen Bonang without a weave for 2 years.
Also, how do you date a girl without seeing a
First
weave
of all, is that
for
even a
2
real
years?
relationship?
Yo, listen, I'll snatch it.
In the club, it gets too much. During groove, they
What's
say,
up?
what's that? So AKA said he didn't see Bonang straight back under there.
A skis.
For at least 2 years, you didn't see that shit straight back. You know that straight back when they give the young girls, man, during June holidays, you know that.
You know, also when you break up with someone and they don't get, like, they get over you faster than you got over them, you feel like you're alone in the relationship.
Bonang's face here is the mood during AK's entire rant. That's it. That's the oh shim. You think I want to say something? Never, Papa. AK woke up one morning and says, I found rocks in the mother's second bedroom. I'm reporting live.
Can I say his tweet and then you'll respond to his tweet?
What's the tweet?
Can I say his tweet?
Go for it.
The tweet was, basically, I gave up my family, I gave up my fiance, and I still got cheated on. What did she say?
Ha! Dumela magazi ke ma go kopileng. Ke ma go kopileng gore o give up. Ga sena ke speakery. Ga sena ke speakery.
Next tweet. You think you know someone until you find rocks in your cupboard.
Ha! Ne ke tlo pava ka matlapa. I thought we were going to last forever. Can't say it's just a temporary love. I was buying the rocks bag by bag. I was going to do a pavement for you, Ken Forbes. Maropadile. That's why I created matlapa.
That's
You know what is giving Bonang a chance to speak about what she was going to do with the stones.
that's what's gonna build.
You know, sometimes you go in those houses, there's like the stones, but like the fish pond or some shit. It was going to be. It was that type of vibe. She thought it was going to be. It was going to be forever. Like this guy left the baby moms for me.
Yeah.
Oh, this is forever. And then it's not. But you're buying those rocks, you know, bag by bag.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to jump pizza him.
Yeah.
It's going to be. It's a
This is a
surprise.
very reasonable
It's
explanation.
a surprise pond.
And also, like,
So if you're gonna surprise someone at the pond, they can't see
right?
that you're bringing a pond together. I think you put a camera and you put Boiti, Casper, aka Zintlen, Bonang in one room.
Wow.
And then just throw Slicker in there to curate the whole thing.
Sounds like love and hip hop.
I think that might be the greatest room.
It sounds
of all
exactly
time.
like love and hip hop.
Imagine. Again, euphonic. Skum, kum. Skum, kum. Skum, kum. Skum, kum.
Whoa, you missed one person, Pearl 2C. Well,
Oh yes.
hey, boy.
You come in there trying to act.
Ah,
I'm trying to act. Acting. I'm actress.
too long.
Acting.
No, we done it this segment. Nope. How to go in Beyonce format? How to go in Beyonce format?
If you don't cross
You guys don't get it, we don't get it. Shut up. They've been saying it the whole time. They don't get it.
Shout out to all my other people.
I'm sure Kosa people are sitting there laughing.
Hey, boy, they're just putting Pokoko everywhere.
Comments are lit right
Shamrock
now.
pies are flying across the room.
Again. That's the case they missed it. Do it again. One more time.
No, they don't get it like how we didn't get the reps. It's fine.
Oh! Imagine you wake up in the morning and your porch is gone.
Your Porch.
Your porch.
Oh.
The
And
porch.
they say-
I think it's still your porch. You can't have a porch.
They say my porch is bad. If they say my porch.
The portion of the porch.
What do you
What
say?
is the porch?
Wait, they didn't work a porch. Isn't porches true?
No porch.
Where the hell is porches true? When's the last time? When's the last time we checked the porches true? We just assume it's still there. No one's checking up on these people. You guys only think about yourselves. Someone needs to check on porches true. But somebody stole this guy's porch.
What is what?
Porch.
I don't know if that's the right way.
Don't make me feel insecure. Imagine you wake up in the morning. Good morning.
You don't even check if it's there, bro. Sometimes you just walk.
This person fell.
Yo.
Yeah?
This person
Yeah, like these certain things you just don't check if it's there. Like, imagine someone just takes out the flasher on your toilet. You just go.
I'm like, yo, Kenyele, for real. It's like waking up and you find your door gone. Like if you woke up and your door wasn't there. You'd be like, whoa. What if the door opened? And you're like, whoa.
There's
There
no
is
door.
no door. Somebody who could use a degree, of course, are these two people. One who happens to be a politician. Hey.
Yeah, this policewoman finished me, boy. I can't trust her. I can't trust her.
Let's talk about
Tata,
the preparedness, the state of preparedness for Gauteng as we head into the long weekend.
Yeah, all hands on, all take is on her, everything.
Wait, can you start it again?
Yo, it snatched her soul, boy. And she was ready to say, how prepared are you? Well, obviously the decks on the hands and the hands on the deck. Yeah, just said, yeah, everyone is waking.
Whoa! How many wasters can we put there?
I don't know. Everyone is waking.
Yo!
And they were briefing her and they said, Maki, how did I go to TV today? Please. What are you going to say? And she asked for that quote from the internet before she left. So, what did you say yesterday?
All hands on deck.
What did you say yesterday?
All deck on hands.
At the meeting, what did you say? You said something about decks, limits, like that. No, all hands on deck, thanks. Today they're going to know me.
All taken on
They asked her how she got there, would you like some coffee or water? She said, no, thank you. I am ready. I am prepared. I have one job today and I've been practicing. I'm going to execute. No water, no coffee, no distractions, please. Anyway, it doesn't end there. We take it over to Bantu Holomiza.
You give a poor man a fish and you feed him for a day. You teach him to fish. You give him an
Bantu just shook his head and gave up. And he said, I want to go home. I just want to go. But
This guy froze.
I'm waiting.
Let it go,
It's
no,
gotta
let it
happen.
go. Let it go, let it go.
But he said, I just want to go. Alright, so ze,
Wherever.
so the fishing. So the fishing, MicroWave Boys, episode 59. We are coming closer and closer to that 6. Oh, it's called a young community break. Spend time with family, get to know some new people. Hello.
So you agree? You don't. Aska kaya ko sunflower na msuno ako manana.
Money music, that's what we wanna make. That's what we wanna make. That's what we wanna make. That's what we money music. That's what we wanna make. That's what we wanna make. That's what we wanna make.
Hashtag Zantimnani. Preparation, no segregation, elevation, no procrastination. Don't imagine.